Welcome to the exciting world of smart home appliances, where technology is reshaping the way we live and interact with our homes. At the forefront of this revolution is a wave of innovative devices designed to make our lives more convenient, efficient, and secure. Today, we'll explore how these cutting-edge appliances are transforming our daily routines and what we can expect in the near future. Smart refrigerators, beyond the basics. Imagine never having to guess what's in your fridge again. Modern smart refrigerators come equipped with built-in cameras that allow you to check the contents from your smartphone, no matter where you are. This means you can see exactly what you need before heading to the grocery store. Some models go even further, integrating voice assistants that help you manage your shopping list, suggest recipes based on what's inside, and even track expiration dates. The future of refrigeration is not just about keeping things cold, it's about making your kitchen smarter and more efficient. Revolutionizing laundry with smart washing machines. Smart washing machines are another game changer. With features like remote control and monitoring through a smartphone app, you can start, stop, or schedule your laundry from anywhere. These appliances use advanced sensors to adjust wash settings based on load size and fabric type, optimizing water and detergent use. They can also diagnose potential issues before they escalate, ensuring your laundry routine runs smoothly and without interruptions. Smart thermostats and lighting, comfort and control at your fingertips. The convenience of smart thermostats and lighting systems cannot be overstated. Smart thermostats learn your preferences and adjust temperatures automatically to enhance comfort and save energy. They can be controlled via smartphone or voice commands, allowing you to fine-tune your home's climate from anywhere. Similarly, smart lighting systems let you customize brightness and color, set schedules, and even simulate your presence at home to enhance security. These systems bring a new level of personalization and control to your living environment. Enhanced security with smart home systems. Home security has also evolved with smart technology. Modern smart security systems include features like smart doorbells with cameras, motion sensors, and facial recognition technology. These systems enable you to monitor your home from anywhere in the world and receive instant alerts if anything unusual occurs. Integration with other smart devices, such as lighting and locks, provides a comprehensive security solution that you can manage through your smartphone or voice assistant. Looking ahead, the future of smart home technology. So, what does the future hold for smart home appliances? As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated features. Future appliances may not just respond to your commands but anticipate your needs based on your habits and preferences. Picture a home that automatically adjusts its temperature, lighting, and even entertainment options to match your current activity or mood. The possibilities are limitless, and we are only scratching the surface of what smart technology can achieve. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of smart home appliances. Are there any specific devices you're excited about? Or perhaps you have questions about integrating these technologies into your home? Drop your comments below and join the conversation. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. For more updates on the latest in tech and home automation, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content right here at Nerdy Tech Tide.